This video will demonstrate how to troubleshoot the electrical system on a Napoleon 700 series built-in grill head. The following tools are recommended to have on hand when performing this service: safety glasses, gloves, and a 1/4-inch drive socket. To perform the service, it is suggested to remove the gas and electrical connections. Then remove the grill head and place it on a non-abrasive surface in spacer blocks to ensure you can access the wire harness located on each side. To begin, remove the drip tray from the underside of the grill and turn your attention underneath the control panel to disconnect the LED wire harness on the right-hand side. The LED wire harness connection can be identified by the red shrink wrap around the Molex and wire. Now move to the back of the grill head and remove the back cover using a 1/4-inch drive socket. Once removed, disconnect the Molex on both ends of the wire harness, which lead to the hood lights. Turn your attention to the power supply and check all wires for damage. Note the location of the power wire harness, fuse, and igniter wire, and check that all connection points are sound. Unplug the igniter wire connection, identified with the yellow shrink wrap, to eliminate this as a point of failure. Next, open the fuse housing and replace the 4-amp fuse. Move to the front of the grill and press the light switch on the control panel. The igniter and light switches should now be illuminated. If not, the power wire and fuse will need to be replaced. If the switches are illuminated, plug in the LED wire harness under the control panel. If this blows a fuse, the LED wire harness will need to be replaced, and a new fuse will need to be installed. If the fuse doesn't blow, move to the back of the grill and reconnect the igniter wire. Now move to the front and press the igniter button. If the fuse blows, the igniter wire or igniter block will need to be replaced, and a new fuse will need to be installed. If the fuse doesn't blow, reconnect each of the hood lights one at a time and test them for correct operation. If the fuse blows during the testing of either of the lights, replace that hood light in the fuse, then retest them for correct operation. With the electrical system fully tested and operational, reinstall the back cover, install the grill head, and retest it before leaving it with your customer. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.